Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to try something a little bit different. I'm going to make some rings without a lathe. Not sure if it'll work. I've never done it before, but we're going to start with these two pieces of wood. We've got some Wenge and Caribbean Rosewood. We're going to cut it into strips. Let's get going. All right, so here we go with the rosewood and the Wenge. They're a little bit thicker than I want them to be right now, so I'm going to sand them. All right, so I've got these pieces sort of cut down to size to make my blank. This one's going to be rosewood, Wenge, and rosewood sandwiched together. And I think to glue these, I'm just going to use sag glue. That should work. So to get the right size for the ring, I have this existing ring that fits, and I'm just going to use it as a template. If I can hold it still. I guess that'll do. So I've got the blank clamped in my wooden screws here, and my screw clamps, and I'm just going to use an appropriately sized Forstner bit to drill out the center. This is obviously smaller than it needs to be, and I'll use files to make it the right size. All right, let's do it. And so with the hole drilled, I'm going to use my Moxon vise from Lake Erie Toolworks to hold it and file out the rest of the material. Okay, and so with the ring, or the inside of it, appropriately sized, I think, I'm going to take it over to my bandsaw and cut out the outside. You can see I've kind of roughly drawn in a circle there. And then we'll take it back over to the bench and use files and smooth it all out and stuff. Here goes nothing. All right, so I've got the ring more or less shaped. It still needs some work. It's not completely even thickness all the way around, but I think it's already a failure. There's just some really, really short grain in here, and I can just see it breaking. So what I'm going to try to do to prevent that is I'm going to flood it with thin CA glue. Hopefully that soaks into it, and that'll strengthen it. So before I do any more shaping, I'm going to do that. Hopefully that works. And with the CA glue on there, let's start shaping again. All right, so we've got it pretty well shaped. It's comfortable. It fits my pinky. So I guess that's good. I can test and see if it's comfortable or not. On to hand sanding. What I'd like to do here is sort of crown the outside of it, you know, so it's kind of rounded. See if I can do that. It's starting to work. All right, we've got it all sanded and shaped and all that stuff. All that's left is finish. And I think I'm going to go simple with his. Walnut oil. See how it works. I think I like that. Not too shabby. It feels good. It's nice and smooth. Not bad for my first ring. Well, here it is, guys. Not too shabby. Not sure if that'll focus or not, but you can see the rosewood and wenge and the rosewood. This isn't for me. It's actually something kind of special, which we'll learn about soon. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. This was fun. I've never made a ring before. My first thought was to use a lathe, of course, but this worked really well. I guess we'll see if it's strong enough over time, but good proof of concept. All right, guys, thanks for watching.